Hey, my name is Robbie Jeffco with BadgePass, and today we'll be looking at how to change the ribbon on your Halo card printer and also run a cleaning card and change the cleaning roller on it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change the ribbon in the Halo card printer. So you'll notice there's a latch on the top of the printer. We're going to pull up, it's going to open the top, and you want to remove the gray cartridge. So you're going to see the gray cartridge here. From here, you just want to slide the old ribbon off each spindle. So we're going to take it, we're going to slide it off, and we can move the old ribbon and just discard it. So we're going to set it over here to the side. Next, we're going to take the new box. So we got a new box of ribbon here. We're going to open it. You're going to notice inside here not only is your new ribbon, but also a cleaning card and a cleaning roller. We're going to touch on this very soon. Okay? So we're going to set this aside for right now. And what we're going to do is we are going to slide the new ribbon on here. You'll notice on the cartridge, it's color coded. So you got purple and you got gray. You'll also notice in the ribbon spindle, there's purple and there's gray. So what we're going to do is we're going to slide the purple to purple. We want to make sure the colors match. And gray to gray. So you may have to roll the ribbon. You'll notice that sometimes it gets a little off. So you're going to actually roll the ribbon. So just make sure it's tight. Now, once we've done that, it's time to change the cleaning roller. You're going to notice the cleaning roller is here up front. You'll notice there's two little yellow arrows pointing up. So you're going to take your new cleaning roller that came in your box. We're going to set to the side for now. We're going to pull up on here. We're going to take out the cleaning roller. We're going to set the old one to the side. From here, we'll remove the paper on the new cleaning roller. Set the paper to the side. And we're going to slide the new cleaning roller into the ribbon cartridge. So now the ribbon has now been changed. The cleaning roller has also now been changed. So if you're in the middle of a batch print, you can keep going ahead. You can replace your cartridge back in the printer and you can close it and you should be good to go, continue your batch print. However, we do recommend every single time you change your ribbon, running a cleaning card. So if you're at a point where you can run your cleaning card, now's a great time to do that. So what we have here is we have our cleaning card. You'll notice is the last piece of the puzzle. So the ribbon cartridge does have to remain out of the printer while we're running the cleaning card cycle. So we're going to close the top of the printer, and we're going to open the front of the input hopper, and we're going to remove any cards that are here. So from here, what we're going to do is we're then going to open up our cleaning card pack. We're going to remove the cleaning card. We're going to set it in the input hopper. And then we are going to press the menu button on the front of the printer. So the menu button is going to be the green button. We're going to press it. What that's going to do is it's going to put the printer in a suspended state. So from here, we're going to press the enter button, which is this little arrow. We're going to press it. It's going to take you to the main menu and click on maintenance. We're going to press it again. And then the first option there is going to be cleaning card. That's what we want to select. Then once you get to start, you're going to press that, and it is going to walk you through it basically again, the same steps we're saying. It's saying you're going to open the door, we're going to click enter, or actually we're going to click the menu button, we're going to remove the ribbon, which we already did, we're going to clean the print head, and we're going to close the printer door, and then we'll get the card ready, and then we're going to enter the cleaning card. So right when I press the menu button here, what it's going to do is it's going to take the card and it's going to begin the cleaning process. So let's watch. Alright, great. So the cleaning card is now complete. So we're going to take the old card, we're going to remove it, we're going to set it to the side. We're going to close the door. You'll notice it's still telling you to go ahead and open the door, replace the ribbon. So we're going to click through this, remove the cleaning card, and we're going to go ahead and load the new ribbon. So we're going to open the top of the printer. Our ribbon's already ready to rock and roll, so we're going to slide it in. We're going to close the top, and now we're done. So you've just now changed your ribbon in your Halo card printer, your cleaning roller, and your cleaning card. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.